Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get the paper money option on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Tap the profile icon at the top right of the screen. Scroll down and select Support. On the Support page, tap Adding Money. Then choose Paper Money. If you don't see the option or you're having issues, tap Experiencing an issue. Next, tap Contact Support and choose Chat. Type a brief message explaining that you need help with the paper money option. Then send it. Now, just wait for the Cash App support team to reply with a solution. And that's it. That's how to get the paper money option on Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.